Good morning, guys, on this winter's morning. This is the first episode of a few episodes on the Raider to Legend build. This is the beauty in question, a 2007 Toyota Hilux V6 4x4 double cab. You know what that means. It means that we're going to hit the roads of South Africa. We're going to go into the mountains, go into the bushveld, go to the sea. We're going to take you on a journey across South Africa on an epic, amazing trip. So guys, enjoy this video with us and let's have a look of what I've achieved with this vehicle. Oh, I must also just mention, the manufacturers mentioned in this video has not sponsored me whatsoever. I paid everything with my own money. I'm just giving them a thumbs up. So guys, enjoy the video with us. Let's go. Hey folks, thank you for joining us on this build of Raider to Legend. Please subscribe and share and hit that notification button so I can create more awesome content for you. All of the best. God bless. Goodbye.